Hello, people. Good evening, guys. Welcome you back to our platform, wherein we people, the experienced professionals, we guide people so that they should not face the challenges and to make their career path easy. So, welcome to our today's session, guys. As said earlier, as communicated earlier in our platforms, our today's session is going to be for the people who have been exploring jobs for a long time, but they have not got jobs. So we would talk about few things, like there are times wherein a person can do few things differently, and these small things can help in a big deal. For an example, right, a race, whenever there is a horse race, it is said that there are times wherein horse wins the race by a nose. What does it mean? There is a slight difference. The training and everything is same, but the race, the way horse is, it is by a slight nose. He just crosses and then the second horse comes in. Why does this happen? A slight effort, a bit different thing that this particular horse has been doing. Going to be the session wherein we will talk in details about those slight things which a person can do, and that would make an entire difference. So यहाँ पर before starting this particular session, I am assuming that most of the people, ज्यादातर लोग जो है वो अपना बेसिक्स राइट कर रहे हैं. बेसिक्स राइट इन द सेंस, इन लोग को पता है कि जॉब सर्च कैसे किया जाता है. अपन ने बहुत सारे सेशंस ऐसे रिलेटेड कंडक्ट किए, and I am assuming that people have gone through these sessions and they know the basics about what needs to be done to get a job. But those slight changes, वो थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस जो अपन कर सकते हैं जहां पर अपने को जाकर जॉब मिलेगा, तो वो अपन आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, पीपल, we all know कि भाई, as soon as you complete your education or as soon as you're looking for a change, you have to, many people they know it. I'm assuming that you all have updated your resumes in job portals. So now here is, like, इतने ज़्यादा लोग search कर रहे हैं job opportunities को, you have to do things differently. What if I have updated resume in only two portals? You have to update your resume in five portals, not random portals, people. There have been some surveys conducted lately, and in those surveys, it has been observed that Vasitum, Indeed, Placement India, Monster, Shine. I will paste the names in the description. These five portals has really done good. So a different thing that you have to do here is that लोग दो में अपलोड कर रहे हैं, तीन में अपलोड कर रहे हैं, आपको ये पांच पोर्टल में करना ही है. इसके साथ naukri.com में भी कर लो, timejobs.com में भी कर लो. ये थिंग आपको करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. उसके बाद फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू एक्सप्लोर जॉब्स. अब करियर पोर्टल का ये हो गया, ओके. पीपल अप्लाई इट एंड जस्ट लीव इट देयर. अप्लाई करके सोचते हुए अपना काम हो गया, अपन अभी जॉब के अपने को कॉल्स आएंगे, ये वो. दैट इज व्हाट पीपल थिंक. सेकंड पार्ट इज दैट एक बार अप्लाई कर लिए आप, उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कि आप एग्रेसिवली एक्सप्लोर करो. आप एग्रेसिवली एक्सप्लोर करो. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू डिफरेंटली देन व्हाट अदर्स आर नॉट डूइंग. एग्रेसिवली एक्सप्लोर करो जॉब पोर्टल्स में, जो भी मैचिंग जॉब्स है, go ahead and keep applying for that. Now I'm assuming that there are a few people who have updated in many portals and who are also applying for jobs. Now there is a thing which they can do differently. While applying for jobs, while applying for respective jobs, there are portals who are providing the option of multiple profile creation. एक profile, basic error that person do is that a person is doing now is, in fact they have been doing it from quite some time. एक resume बनाते हैं, सबको वही share करते जाते हैं. वैसा नहीं होता. एक let there be one particular resume in a portal, it should be a detailed one. But while applying, ये apply कर रहे हो, but one thing that you need to do is apply using different profiles for different job descriptions. As I said, platforms are allowing you to do this. Platforms have options of creating multiple profiles. जो भी platforms आपको ये allow कर रहे हैं, ये option दे रहे हैं, वो आप use करो और multiple profiles जो है आप update करते जाओ. This is one important thing. अब now, assuming that you are doing all these things right, first जो है आप पांच छह job portals में आपके details भी update कर रहे हो, उसके बाद में you are applying your resume as well. Then you are applying different resumes as well. Now comes another thing, guys. You have to assume, you have to understand that all the systems, all the resumes that are there updated in the platforms do not go to the recruiter. वहां पर रॉबर्ट बैठा है, ATS बोल के, एप्लीकेशन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम. It is tracking your resumes, it is filtering your resumes, और फिल्टर करने के बाद आपके रेज्यूमेस को वो रिक्रूटर के पास पहुंचा रहा है. So you have to ensure that whenever you update your resume in these portals, वो ATS read के टाइप में ATS resume जो ATS के ट्रैकिंग में आता है वो रहना चाहिए. If you don't know, don't worry. I will be conducting a detailed session. I have already told that I will shortly conducting a detailed session about ATS applicant dropping tracking system. उसमें resume कैसे बनाते हैं. I will give you heads up. You be a part of that system and accordingly just update your resume. और वहाँ से change होगा. These slight things people do it and you will feel the difference. उसके बाद जो है career portals. चलो now basically I am assuming that के most of the people जो है career portal, so assumption है आप career portal में भी आपका profile update कर रहे हो. Okay, आप career portal में भी आपका profile update कर रहे हो. A slight change that you can do here is that कौन से company के portals में. First of all, you have to update your resume in all the potential job providers. अब now you have to be cautious. आप job search कर रहे हो, it's also a task. You have to be cautious about what is exactly happening nowadays in the market. कौन सा company किधर अपना setup कर रही है? Like Deloitte has for few years back, Deloitte has come up with a setup at Hyderabad. They were having huge requirements at Hyderabad. Then similarly, some other setups were also there. TechM did it somewhere. Then so you have to be on top of this particular this type of news. There are few companies who plan for expansions and all these things happen. And these are the opportunities, people. These are the opportunities who others are not aware of. And if you are focusing on these opportunities, अगर आप ये opportunities पे focus कर रहे हो, तो क्या होगा? Go ahead, इनके career pages पे apply करो. Okay, this is the thing that you will have to do differently. उसके बाद ये career pages पे apply कर दिए, okay, it's well and good. उसके बाद में career pages की बात चल रही है, तो देखो कौन से companies freshers की बात अगर करें तो कौन से companies freshers hire करने के लिए programs run कर रहे हैं, वो programs explore करो और उसके लिए भी register कर दो. अभी third thing, recruiters. You all might have got in touch with different recruiters. यहाँ पर like few recruiters might have said that they will get back to you, but you have to do things differently here. Okay, use referrals as much as possible. So how do you use referral? Let me link this particular thing to LinkedIn. अब LinkedIn में होता क्या है? You will get everyone there. You will get recruiters there. You will get company names there. You will get project teams there. You will get technical people there. सबके सब लोग हैं LinkedIn पे. Now people randomly post that I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. Help me with the job. Slight thing that you have to do differently here is that before making these type of posts, अपना resume एक इस तरह से update करो that as soon as someone sees your resume on LinkedIn, he should feel that this person is somewhat better or somewhat different than what other people are. Resume में अपना banner update करो, LinkedIn banner जो रहता है, update that thing. टाइटल ऐड करो, टाइटल के बाद अबाउट सेक्शन ऐड करो, उसमें एक्सपीरियंस ऐड करो, एक्सपीरियंस में इलेबोरेट करो और 2-3 पोस्ट एटलीस्ट कर रखो जो आपके रिलेटेड स्किल सेट से हो. उसके बाद जाकर आप पोस्ट करो कि भाई आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब या समथिंग लाइक दैट. डोंट स्टॉप इट देयर. एंड दिस इज नॉट दैट इफ यू राइट दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब यू विल गेट अ जॉब, बिकॉज काफी सारे लोग जॉब कर रहे हैं, रिक्रूटर्स के बाद काफी सारे रेज्यूमेज आते हैं. Do not be under impression that if you are writing this type of post, you will get a job. हो सकता है, few people may give it, but लोगों के पास काफी सारे similar type of post आते हैं. So you have to work before doing this stuff. और उसके बाद जो है, now try for referrals. Random referrals नहीं. Suppose you have completed your education from this particular college. में ऑप्शन होता है सर्च के ऊपर कॉलेज का नाम डाल के you will find the people who have completed the education from that particular college. Okay, see where these people are currently working. Try to follow their post. See if there is someone who is really active. Follow their post, like their post, comments on their post, and then slowly send them a request stating that, frame it in such a manner that, hi, I want to follow you. I have been following your content. I am also from this particular college. I would like to learn things from you. Please add me to your network. Write this type of particular note to as many as people as you can. It's all about multiplying efforts. एक को करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. It's all about multiplying efforts. तो काफी सारे लोगों को कर दो. दिस इज वन. Second is, these people who are currently working with different thing, just check with them once the discussion starts. Check with them, is there a possibility of referral? Referral से होता क्या है, जो बंदा जो ऑलरेडी कंपनी में काम कर रहा है, he will also get somewhat referral amount. You would also be in a position to go there. He may be in a position to follow up with the recruiter. So यहाँ पर थोड़े से चीजें चेंज होते हैं. So these are things differently that you have to do. अब इसके बाद क्या है? Okay, guys, these are important things. इसको ओवरलुक करोगे तो फिर आप जॉब ढूंढते रह जाओगे. Then things will happen whenever they have to happen. So you have to do these things. At least the possibility of getting jobs will increase. फिर उसके बाद जो है, what next? Referrals. और एक thing referrals के लिए try करो. If your friends are working in a company, the college relations जहाँ पर पहचान के है, like that circle, that connect रहता है. There is some or the other connect. If you see that some HR is writing some post about something, or some technical guy is writing post about something, connect follow करो, एक approach बनाओ, एक rapport बनाओ, और systematically फिर उसके बाद उसको request send करो. Just writing a random note, I am looking for a job, will not help, because they are getting hundreds of emails, hundreds of notes. I myself get this type of emails. I accept few, I don't accept few, because इतने सारे jobs कहाँ से है? Jobs तो इतने सारे है नहीं. So you have to do things differently. अब उसके बाद LinkedIn बहुत important है लोगों. LinkedIn बहुत important है. If you want to see details में क्या करना है LinkedIn के लिए, I have already conducted a workshop. This workshop is really valuable. For this platform, I've conducted this workshop as a free workshop, which is otherwise very much chargeable for different other groups. और वो heavily chargeable है, and many people have, no one has done it, very few people have done it free. उसको use करो. बोलने का मतलब है उसको use करो. If you are not using that, the efforts are then getting wasted. Okay, then उसके बाद क्या है? Post हो गया, फिर अब ये और सब, these are the things wherein you can reach out to for jobs. Okay, उसके बाद जो है, now let's talk about resume. ATS resume भी हो गया. Then resume का इतना simple हो गया है guys. अब for example, you are or on a platform, we get many resumes. We have been sharing so many requirements with so many email IDs. अब होता क्या है, right? You have to be sensible. And if you are sensible, the way you communicate, the way you write an email, the way you update your resume, the contents which you have written on your email body, that is known as cover letter, the subject line, the way you update the subject line, ये चीजें ही आपको 50% क्राउड यहाँ पर ही एलिमिनेट हो जाता है. 50% क्राउड यहाँ पर ही एलिमिनेट हो जाता है if they are not doing these things correctly. Yesterday I saw one person texted me a cover letter from our group itself, and that was a very generic cover letter, and he was using this cover letter for all the requirements for which he was applying. Do you think he will get selected? The recruiter will consider him. The recruiter will only consider him if there is not much competition, और दूसरे स्पेसिफिक स्किल सेट्स के लोग, स्पेसिफिक स्किल सेट्स के एक्सपीरियंस वाले नहीं है, जब जाकर वो इसको कंसिडर करेगा. So here what this guy should do is, he have to reframe his cover letter. हर job requirement के लिए different cover letter जाता है. हर job requirement के लिए according to job description different profile जाती है. Do these things differently, people. Do these things differently, और उसके बाद जो है, you would feel the difference. You would see the difference. Okay, I thought of conducting this session, people. I am assuming that you all have stick to this particular session. अगर इसको नहीं देखा होगा, इसको वापस से देखो. Try to see that how you could do things differently. अब now we have spoken about how to reach, then अपने referrals की भी बात किए. आप जब you keep the thinking cap on. Slight changes करो, थोड़े changes करो. I'm assuming that you are doing the basics right. Do some changes out there. रेफरल्स को रीच करो, फिर उसके बाद में रेफरल प्रोग्राम्स को रीच करो. ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स के काफी सारे अपन वेबिनार्स कंडक्ट करके रखे हैं. अप्लाई करो. लाइक देयर आर सम ट्रेनिंग पोर्टल्स, जो नॉट ट्रेनिंग, कॉम्पिटिशंस, हम पोर्टल्स लाइक हैकर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. इन लोग कॉम्पिटिशंस रन करते हैं. गो अहेड, थिंक डिफरेंटली, अप्लाई फॉर दोस कॉम्पिटिशंस. वो कॉम्पिटिशंस को अप्लाई करो, और वहां पर यू विल गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो थ्रू एन इंटरव्यू. कंपनीज ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं. अब आप उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप अप्लाई करोगे जहाँ पर लाइक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल आर अप्लाइंग, एंड अगर आप उस प्लेटफॉर्म को इग्नोर करोगे दैट देयर आर वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ पीपल, सो द चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग लॉस्ट आर मोर. ये प्लेटफॉर्म है जॉब पोर्टल्स, पर आप यहाँ पर अप्लाई करोगे, आप सही तरीके से अप्लाई नहीं करोगे, योर प्रोफाइल विल गेट लॉस्ट. देयर आर हाई पॉसिबिलिटीज एंड प्रोबेबिलिटीज ऑफ दैट. एंड ये अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स है लाइक आप टेस्ट दो, देन हैकर रैंक, हैकर अर्थ पे जाओ, go ahead and do those competitions, you get eligible for getting recruited. Do these type of things, you will find less crowd here. और जहां पर भी crowd less रहता है, the possibility of they getting picked up are more. Referrals try karo. So try all the things. I'm not asking you to stop from doing anything. Try all the things, do things differently, and then it will work for you. So that's it, people. Okay, that's it. I wanted to convey these few things to you. And tomorrow, most probably tomorrow, I will plan for a session wherein I will say how to create a resume which gets tracked by application tracking system. It works very easily, people. It works very easily. I still keep getting calls from multiple organizations. Day before yesterday, Capgemini, if someone has called me from that, they have a recruitment, they have a requirement there. So I still get calls. I still get calls for the resume which I have updated way back. And why I am again getting the call is I just checked my resume few days back, and again it got refreshed. So I again started getting calls. So ऐसा नहीं है कि resume को portals में से calls नहीं आएंगे, select नहीं होंगे, आएंगे. You will have to do things differently. Okay. So कल एक ATS के बारे में एक session conduct करने का I am planning. I will give you a confirmation on the groups. Ensure that you use this particular information. Day after tomorrow is our fortnightly connect. 2 week हो गए last connect से. Day after tomorrow would be our fortnightly connect with all the job seekers in our group. Whoever wants to attend it. Whoever have any queries, wants to text or write those queries to me. I would get that covered in that particular session. I will help you with the timing. Okay. And the most important thing, don't take this particular webinar lightly. Take it on a serious note, do slight things differently, and then go ahead. See where you are going wrong. If you are not trained enough, if you are not able to clear the interview, ye second part hai interview ka. I have not touched it, but if you have if you are not covered all the things that are related to completing interview, wo cheez pe work karo, work on those things, then apply. Otherwise, if you have not gone through some trainings, for example, yesterday, while having a word with Dipanjan, you are saying that people, whenever they want to do data science, they have to be aware of 5 things. And if they are not aware of even one of those things, then the chances of they getting not cleared or the chances of the opportunity reduces. ऐसा नहीं करो, waste जो है अपना base जो है vast रखो और proper requirements को apply करो. Guys, this is what I wanted to convey today. I really want you guys to put in all these things into practice. I have not stressed this particular session. I have kept it point to point so that you people, you see all this entire particular session and actually bring these things into practice. So this is what I wanted to communicate. And I'm assuming that you would go through it. And let's see, people. We know opportunities are less. Even after we do all these things, we have to keep patience. We have to keep patience, and patience is the key. Patience is the key, but we have to see that we do things rightly so that the probabilities and the chances of getting placed increases. LinkedIn में एक को 5 opportunities एक साथ आकर बैठे हैं. If they are maintaining their profile as a proper brand, अगर अपना आप LinkedIn में proper brand बना के रखो अपना profile का, so how to do a brand, उसका webinar का link भी मैं यहाँ पर डाल दूँगा. So ensure that you always put these things into practice and see and have patience, and things will be better than what they are currently. Have hope, keep working towards it. Don't lose patience, don't lose hope. That is what I wanted to say today, people. Hope to see you day after tomorrow in the particular meeting that we are planning tomorrow for that particular session. Thank you, people.